your eyes look soft, round, or straight up lifeless in photos, it's not your genetics, it's your habits. And here's the wild part. You can start reshaping your eye area in just 6 simple moves. Most guys never figure this out, but you're about to get the secret strategy that builds that sharp, focused hunter eye look way faster than you think. Let's get into it. Point 1. You're inflamed, not born wrong. Puffy eyes destroy your facial structure. They make you look stressed, older, and completely erase that clean orbital line that defines real hunter eyes. Fix it. Cut your sodium for a week. Hydrate like crazy. Cold compress every morning. Your entire eye area tightens fast. And no, those cheap under-eye rollers, they're not fixing anything. Point 2. Your upper eyelids aren't activated. Weak eyelids make the upper lid droop. That gives you a tired, drained, low-energy look. And it kills the intensity in your stare. Fix it. Keep your chin level. Practice upward gazes, clean reps, short holds. 3 sets of 20 a day builds real levator strength and naturally creates a deeper crease. I use a small LED desk mirror to keep my form sharp. Links in the description. Point 3. Your midface isn't supporting your eyes. If your cheeks lack structure, the whole under-eye region collapses. Bags, shadows, loose support. The exact opposite of the predatory eye look. Fix it. Real tongue posture. Full tongue on the palate, especially the back third. Keep it there throughout the day. Over time, this lifts the midface and tightens the under-eye region. And no, chewing gum all day won't fix your midface. Point 4. Your brow position weakens your stare. When your brows sit too high, your eyes look round and soft. It gives off a nervous, unconfident expression, not the dominant, narrowed frame you want. Fix it. Relax your forehead, lower your brows slightly, hold it for 10 seconds, 5 reps. This builds a stronger, resting brow that pulls your eyes into a sharper, cleaner shape. Point 5. You're not training lateral eye tension. Weak outer eye tension makes your eyes look watery and unfocused. Your gaze loses structure, and the whole hunter eye aesthetic falls apart. Fix it. Light side squints. Only tighten the outer corners. Keep the center open. 3 rounds. 10-second holds. This builds lateral sharpness fast. If you get dryness, use preservative-free drops. Link below. Point 6. Your mindset shapes your eyes. Here's the truth. Your eyes reflect how you live. If your posture is sloppy, your routines are lazy, your habits are low energy, your eye area starts molding itself around that. But when you raise your discipline, your presence, your standards, your eyes tighten up, your stare sharpens, and your entire face shifts with it. Aesthetic change starts with your identity, not products. That's how you build the real hunter eye foundation. If you're ready to level up your eye area and your entire face, hit subscribe for more high-level strategies, and check the links in the description. I added every tool and product you need so you can start today. Your upgrade begins the moment you take action.